Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube with the account you expect is subscribed. This is crucial. Once logged in, go directly to the channel page, search the exact channel name or paste its URL. You'll see the main button near the channel art. Note whether it reads subscribe, subscribed, or subscribe back. Also check the bell icon next to it. It shows notification settings. Make sure you're viewing while signed in, otherwise the button won't reflect your subscription status. Once done with the channel page, verify using your subscriptions list to be certain. On desktop, click Subscriptions, then manage to see the alphabetized list. Mobile uses Library, then Subscriptions. Search or scan that list for the channel name. If it's present, you're subscribed. If it's missing but the channel page showed subscribed, refresh and recheck signed-in account. Also inspect multiple Google accounts. Make sure you didn't subscribe under a different account by mistake. To unsubscribe, click the subscribed button on the channel and confirm the unsubscribe prompt. That immediately removes you from the list. If the button doesn't change, try clearing browser cache, signing out and back in, or using incognito mode to rule out extensions. Make sure the YouTube app is updated on mobile and verify other Google accounts if you still see inconsistent results. One key tip: if subscriptions appear wrong, refresh the Manage Subscriptions page and wait a minute for sync to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.